This is the elevator at the Mechatronics wing at the Advanced Technology Center at the Florida State College at Jacksonville Downtown campus in downtown Jacksonville, Florida. This is another Otis hydraulic series turn down sensors on the inside, except this one is in glass, but it's the same otherwise. The large to hospital size cab. Number one, here down. Interesting noises. Number one. Number two. Yeah, it's the same blue, tall, hospital-sized cab, but it's not glass like the other one. 5,000 pounds. This is a really large facility. There might even be a third elevator here. We'll see. Yeah, the glass one was right by like pretty much the main entrance of the reception. This one has the phone on the panel, but it has the King's 3 on it still, like the other one. Certificate. How close is that's gonna be?